Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the time off section of a specific user. When we are landed to this time off section from the employee, we can see that the name of the user is there, what is the check-in time, what was the checkout time, what application he is using, and then what is the mode of the login time. The phone number and the various detail of the user is being shown here. Thus, for the time off, we can see the monthly pattern of the user, and you can see that under the Feb section there are 4 hours of a leave that is applied on. The user leave balances according to the leave policies are being shown here. These are the number of leaves still available with the user under the specific leave policy. The leave data for the current week shows here. If there is any absent or leave or any holidays falling for this week, you can select from here, and then for the next week also it can be available here. The weekly pattern again shows in this bar graph. The user has applied for the leave for the 19th Feb for the second half, and the leave has been approved by the organization owner or manager. Thus, it is showing the status as approved. For the filter of the year, you can also do it from this section. So this was all about time off. Thank you.